Integrate engineering and manufacturing with ERP in the shop floor. Welcome to Logic Design Corporation, helping transform engineering and manufacturing since 1983. Introducing Global Edge Engineering Assistant, designed for sheet metal fabricators. Global Edge Engineering Assistant provides an innovative approach to integrate and synchronize various software technologies throughout your manufacturing enterprise. This starts with an engineering and manufacturing data warehouse that provides an innovative approach to integrate your various software and hardware technologies. Global Edge dynamically links CAD with ERP in the shop floor to provide accurate and timely information when and where needed. This information infrastructure includes automatic job and work instruction generation capabilities, including a dynamic two-way link between CAD, ERP and the shop floor. Global Edge delivers Industry 4.0 capabilities to provide accurate and timely information throughout your manufacturing enterprise. Global Edge helps drive and facilitate accurate and timely information throughout your manufacturing enterprise with innovative software technology that integrates CAD, engineering and manufacturing with the shop floor. To schedule a demonstration and learn how the Global Edge Engineering Assistant can help your company increase engineering capacity and save thousands of hours, please visit www.ldcglobal.com.